Grand Rising family, how y'all doing? Y'all come on in the building. Y'all come on in the building. I want to welcome you to another episode of Max Crypto News, where we talk about these intangible coins at all times, family. Listen, family, if you're not subscribed to BitMax on YouTube, I need y'all to make sure you go to YouTube, look up BitMax, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so whenever I go live or drop a video, you will be notified about it, family. Right? So today we're gonna jump into the world of Bitcoin. I know I'm live on Facebook, so some of y'all on Facebook, if you didn't see my video yesterday, you need to go to my YouTube channel and you can watch the video from yesterday because I predicted exactly what was going to happen. I left the drawing up here to show exactly what happened, and what I said was going to happen yesterday, it happened. Go to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is called BitMax, and you can see what I talked about yesterday and what actually happened. So now, today we're going to jump right into do we expect Bitcoin to go on a run for the new year? That's the name of this video. Can we expect Bitcoin to go on a minor run for the new year? And we're going to jump right into it. So first off, family, let's jump into what we're looking at, what's going on today. Now, yesterday I told y'all that we had a three-way structure down. And I called it, but I didn't do it exactly the way. You see the way I drew it, and you see I put the target lines where we was headed to. I said this was the target line, and we actually went below my target line, but that's still all good because what we did was we had a three-way structure, but I didn't start it from where I thought it was going to go. So it's a corrective structure. So this is one wave down, two wave, and now this is the third wave here. So now that this three-way structure is complete, this is a three-way structure down, corrective structure. This is basically what it is. Now, in between this, you can draw a five-wave. 1, 2, 3. Like in between this three-way, this can be a five-way corrective structure. Like you can put a five-way in here. For those who interested in the Elliott wave theory and the way it works, but this can be considered a five-way. This can be one. I'm gonna change the color so you can see it better. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in between this, so let me change this so you can see it better. I'm gonna make it purple, and I'm gonna make it thicker. All right. So now I can delete. Now I can move it. Right in between, even though this was a ABC, A, B, C, in between it's still a five-way. This is a one wave, two wave, three wave, four wave, 5, and then one down. So in between the five-way, or you can do it a different way because you can put it here, but it's basically a three-way ABC structure downward, right? This is basically what we get. And how you know that this structure is complete? Because we already starting to make the three-way up. So we had a three-way, five-way down. So now we're going to have a three-way up. So my prediction is I'm going to expect us to go up. Now, what you do, you get the Fibonacci retracement, right? You put the fib to the low and you go up. I'm giving too much information out, y'all. But it's all good, right? So you can take the Fibonacci and you can look at the levels to see, hold up, to see exactly where we can expect to go, to know that, to see that this structure is over with, and the fact that we're going to go on a short move up. We're going on a short move up. Basically, it's going to go up, come down, go up. Now, it can be a 3-wave or a 5-wave, but what I'm looking is we already see, so the 0.6, we can't go over this. This right here, we can't go above that. That's what we can't go above. If we go above that, then I think it's going to be invalidated. So I can erase this now. I can get rid of the Fibonacci. What's funny is when you talk about money to people, don't nobody want to see this. So let me remove the fib. So basically, this is our area here that we can't go above. So let me make this bigger. I'm gonna turn this right here. So this is what I'm expecting. Then we're gonna get off Bitcoin, y'all. I have a cryptocurrency class for anybody that's interested, man. It's a link in the description if you're interested in joining my cryptocurrency class. For those that's in the class, y'all make sure y'all check out these videos on my YouTube channel. But basically, we can expect a corrective wave, like basically like one, probably come back down, touch this. We may get here, or we may go to the 5, to the other retracement level, right? With the fib. What's this? Let me see what level this is. What is the range? This $16,781.35, right? So if we get above this, I would be surprised if we get above this. But this is what I'm expecting, y'all. I'm expecting us to have a move. So now we're talking about the New Year's. I'm saying, do you think we're gonna have a move, a run up for the new year? It is. Let me bring that fib back out again to see something. From this bottom. Let me bring it back out to see. Let me stop it there just so I can bring it back out to see. The levels. With the Fibonacci. All right, so I'm not trying to color it. So this is the 0.6, the 0.38, the 0.23. So looking at the Fibonacci. Oh, man. These are the two areas. I'm going to draw these two lines, and then I'm going to get up out of here. This is why y'all should take the class, though, man. Take the class. You can learn. This area and this area, in between, I would say in between these two, this is where I don't think we're going no higher. So with regard to Bitcoin, this is, oh, no, let me get rid of you. This is the area where I expect us to get up to, between 16,781 or 16,804. Now, if we get above the 6, if this go above this, like up in here, so then it may be a 5-wave, but it's going to be a 3-wave, but it may take us on one of these, go up, come down, and may keep us going up. Now, if we go up like this, if we get close to 17,000 again, what are you looking at? That's basically going to be a 5-wave structure. It basically would be a 5-wave. So it may, now in between this, you may have a one come up here, come down, go back up here, right, come down, and then finish. You get what I'm saying? Now this is a 3-wave movement, an ABC corrective structure, but in between you may have a 5-wave movement. So let me change the color so it can look better, right? Let me change the color. Try to change the color. All right, so I'll change it this way. Okay. So this is what I'm looking at. It's going to be a 3-wave move up. Now, how far we go up, that's the question. So, but it can either go up, come down, test this level, because we'll basically be seeing if this is an area of support. Because right now we're hitting it. So if we keep back as resistance, but if we bust through it, we're trying to see if this support. So to go up, probably get rejected, come back down, go up, come back down, and get up there. But overall, it's just a 3-way structure up, a 3-way structure up. Now, after that, because this is probably going to take us into the new year, depending how hard we go, will let us know if we're going to come back down. I hope we don't, y'all. But to be real with y'all, like these areas are still in play, man. And I'm sorry, but it is what it is. We don't want to see it, but these numbers are still in play. Hopefully we don't get there. Hopefully we don't get down here, especially here. But it's still in play, y'all. All right, so that's that's what's going on with Bitcoin. Again, y'all, I have my cryptocurrency class for anybody that's interested. And you click the link, man. It's $100 for the class, family. You get signed up. Some more news is that MicroStrategy, they are buying Bitcoin. So even though the price of Bitcoin is going down, they're adding, right? So they're adding more Bitcoin to their portfolio. So I'm gonna play this real fast.
MicroStrategy adds to Bitcoin stake despite steep loss. According to a new filing with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, software analytics firm MicroStrategy said that it acquired 2,395 Bitcoins, BTC, at an average price of $17,181 for a total of $42.8 million during the period November 1 and December 21. Subsequent to the development, the company sold 704 BTC at $16,776 per coin for a total of $11.8 million on December 22. On December 24, MicroStrategy acquired approximately 810 BTC for $13.6 million in cash, at an average price of $16,008 published earlier this year. CEO and blockchain personality Michael Saylor told reporters, "We're only acquiring and holding Bitcoin, right? That's our strategy. We're not sellers." Today's filing represents the first publicly reported BTC sale by the firm in recent memory. In supporting the decision, MicroStrategy wrote, MicroStrategy plans to carry back the capital losses resulting from this transaction against previous capital gains, to the extent such carrybacks are available under the federal income tax laws currently in effect, which may generate a tax benefit. After the aforementioned transactions, MicroStrategy now holds 132,500 BTC with an average purchase price of $30,397 and total book value of $4.03 billion. However, their market value has declined to $2.20 billion at the time of publication. MicroStrategy previously disclosed on September 9 that the company may issue or sell up to $500 million worth of common stock. Between October 1 and December 27, the company sold 218,575 units for total net proceeds of $46.4 million. Michael Saylor, the firm's CEO, is currently embroiled in a lawsuit brought by the D.C. Attorney General on allegations of tax evasion. MicroStrategy has increased its hashtag Bitcoin holdings by 2,500 hashtag BTC. As of December 27, 2022, MicroStrategy holds 132,500 Bitcoin acquired for $4.03 billion at an average price of $30,397 per Bitcoin. $MSTR https://d.co/lc Mulk. Michael Saylor, high voltage sign, at Saylor, December 28, 2022.
Now, family, this is wow. When you get from the 1-day chart, excuse me, the 1-hour chart, and you look at the 1-day chart, right? And you get to see that basically MicroStrategy is basically a whale. They what we would call a whale. Is what in the crypto world, MicroStrategy would be a whale. And they are one of the few whales that are buying Bitcoin right now. Most people are not buying Bitcoin. Most of the whales are waiting for the retail investors to get out before they buy. But MicroStrategy is buying, and that right there is a sign that it's a good sign that the bottom may be near. But when you look at the 1-day chart, and you can see the last 2 days, the price has been dropping. So this is today. Now today we got a green candle. So this is why I believe that going into December, going into the 1st of January, I'm expecting us to go up, y'all. So if you're trading Bitcoin, I will go long. Don't short Bitcoin. If you short Bitcoin, you're gonna lose money these last couple of days. If you are trading Bitcoin, you want to go long. Go long, you'll make you some money, family. Free game. We'll give me y'all free game. This is free game. If you want to make some money, go long on Bitcoin. Go long on Bitcoin until the 1st of the year. You'll make some money because the price will rise. I'll do another video maybe Friday to see. Maybe Friday I'll do another video so we can look at it and see if what I said was correct. But what I said so far, as far as yesterday, it happened exactly. It didn't go exactly the way, but it went down to the price that I was saying it was going to go down to. The Fibonacci was right on point with that. And this is what we're looking at, what may happen. With that being said, I'm gonna get off, man. Y'all be safe. Y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day. Y'all enjoy the rest of y'all night. I love y'all. Peace. What I do.